So if you're reading books on property management and then you work for a property management company, what are you going to gain now? Experience, expertise, maybe a little freaking wisdom. That comes with time. So if your vehicle is like, say, trucking, do you want to go out tomorrow and borrow everything you can and go buy a truck and say, hey, I'm now in the trucking business? If it's a long haul trucking you're into, then go look for a long haul trucking company to try to get a part-time job or an internship. They've got maintenance going on. You have to go and get some expertise, some experience. Otherwise, you're like a soldier on the front line who got 2 weeks of training and they handed him a rifle and they said, hey, buddy, good luck. Well, you might as well start counting down your breaths because the chance of you surviving are pretty slim. It's no different in business. That's why so many businesses fail, because people do stupid shit. You're going to accelerate what you're doing. You're going to start to look for a side hustle. You're going to start to look for that side hustle in the vehicle